This is what I'm talking about. This is living a dream. This does not get much better than Hafren Forest on a beautiful sunny day in May. We're still in May.
Yes, we're still only just going to May. It hasn't
but,
gone that quickly.
No, but this is amazing. Turn you around. Lovely boardwalk. This is beautiful. It's okay, Ainsley, I'm here. Good boy. Oh, he's not sure about those boardwalks, is he? I'm not carrying you all the way, Ainsley. Go on. Good boy. Good boy, Ainsley. Shall we? You okay, Ainsley?
You're restless.
Yeah? Good
Go
boy.
for a walk.
You're on a walk, Ainsley.
Do some more walking.
Yeah, but you're on a walk.
Yeah, but I want to see what's up there.
Yeah. Ainsley? Ainsley? We're enjoying what's here now. And this is so magical.
What's up there, Dad?
Yeah, but this is nice here, isn't it, Ainsley? Yeah, yeah, it is. It's lovely, isn't it? Good boy. There's plenty of them for you, Ainsley. Hey, there's plenty of them for you. Say that again.
I said he keeps going to go down there.
Yeah.
And then he looks to see if you're going to tell him not to. And then he got halfway and then looked back and thought, no, Dad's coming, I best get on.
Oh, but now he's going. You be careful, Ainsley. Come on, good boy. It's quite unbelievable to think this is the River Severn, isn't it, Amanda? And look how small this is now to how big it gets in Worcester. Beautiful. Stunning.
Very well signposted even for us.
Do you know what? It really is.
Even we can follow the
Even we can
signposts.
follow it, because normally 9 times out of 10 we don't follow them that
We
easily.
give up or we just do our own thing, but yeah,
Well,
it's
yeah.
actually quite easy to follow.
But it's impressive to see how small this river is now, and when it goes through Worcester, it's pretty big, isn't it? Look how the water's taken this bank out. It's amazing the power of nature, isn't it? Yeah, Hensley, you be careful. You don't need to. You just be careful. This is amazing, isn't it? Hensley's Adventures never disappoints.
Tell you what's really fantastic, Richard, is that you get all of this for free.
I know.
Because you're not paying for your car parking. Okay, the car park's not that big, but there's plenty of parking on the road.
And they're not stopping you parking on the side of the road.
No, you're not paying to come into the forest.
This is all free.
This is all free.
This is absolutely amazing. In England, oh, you'd be paying for everything.